In this quick tutorial, we will set up the balance sheet report in the Enterprise Resource Planning System Dynamics 365 Finance. Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. I am Vadim. I've been helping companies with Enterprise Resource Planning implementation projects since 2009. The goal of this video is to give you an overview how to set up the balance sheet report in Dynamics 365 Finance. What we are going to do is to create the balance sheet from scratch. We will use financial reporting functionality to accomplish the goal. As a result, we will get the simplified balance sheet. Our balance sheet layout will show current and fixed assets, current and long-term liabilities, and owner's equity. All needed information for the balance sheet is fetched from the ledger accounts. It means that we need to define accounts we use for each balance sheet line. To navigate to the list of ledger accounts, let's look under the General Ledger module. Then go to the Chart of Accounts. After that, select the accounts and click on the Main Accounts menu item. Now you can see the list of all ledger accounts. The goal is to define the ranges of accounts for each line of the report. After that, we will configure each report row to show the total balances of the relevant accounts. Okay, let's define the ledger accounts for every row of the report. The current assets are posted to the accounts from 100,000 to 169,999. Let's write it down. Then do the same thing for the fixed assets, current assets, liabilities, and all other lines of the report. So there we go. To create our balance sheet, we need to go to the Financial Reports page. So let's look under the General Ledger module. Then go to the Inquiries and Reports and click on the Financial Report menu item. Now you see all configured financial reports. What we need now is to create a new one. So let's click on the New button. The system is launching the report design. Let's enter credentials here. And now we can see a new report definition form. Here are many parameters, but we are not interested in them now. Instead, let's focus on the report's rows. To input information about rows for our balance sheet, we should navigate to the row definition window. Let's click on the New button and create a new row definition. Now the system shows the grid where our rows should be described. Each line in the grid is the line of our report. Okay, let's copy and paste our rows. After that, we need to set the link to financial dimensions parameter. This parameter is used to get information from the ledger accounts. Let's specify this parameter for the current assets row. Double clicking on the cell, and now you can see the dimensions form. This form is used to specify filters which will be applied for ledger transactions. The filters can be applied for the ledger accounts and for any financial dimensions configured in the system. There are many financial dimensions set in the demo application which I use. That is why you can see so many columns in the form. To make the form readable, I define dimension set only related to a ledger account. There is only main account in the dimension set, so let's use this dimension set and enter the account which holds balances of the current assets. Double clicking on the cell. Now you can see three different options to set up accounts in the main account form. We use the first option and set up the range of accounts from 100,000 to 169,999. We need to set the rest of the report's rows, but this time I am going to set the link parameter differently. When we use the dimension set form, the system created a formula and put it in the link to the financial dimensions column. I prepared this similar information in Excel and now I can copy and paste them. Well done! What we also need is to set up total lines. We select the TOT value in the format code and then input range 101-130 to the column D. We should set the total line for the passive part of our balance sheet as well. Okay, the row definition is ready. Let's save it and close the form. The next step is to create the column definition for our balance sheet. Our report will have just two columns. The first column is for the row description. The second column is for the amount for the row. To create a new column definition, we should click on the New button and choose the column definition item. Now you can see the column definition form. On the left side of the grid you can see the parameters of the report's columns. The A, B, C columns are the report columns. The first column of our report is the row description, so let's set the desk column type for A. The second column is the balance amount of the ledger accounts. To get the amounts from the ledger account, we should use the financial dimension or FD column type. The book code should be set as actual because we need actual data from the account. We set base value in the fiscal year and period. Then let's specify year to date or YTD in the periods covered field. This setting allows to get the balance to the given date. Every ledger transaction in the system is recorded to the exact posting layer. In order to get transactions of the required posting layer, we need to set up the attribute filter. To do so, let's double click on the cell here and add row in the attribute filter form. We choose posting layer in the attribute field and select current layer in the from field. Now we have everything needed to get necessary information from ledger accounts. Let's save the column definition and close the window. Now you can see the report definition form. There is a building block section where we should specify our newly created row and column definitions and save the report definition. Our balance sheet is ready to be generated. Let's go to the web interface and generate our first report. Now you can see the financial report page. We need to refresh the page to get the report available in the list here. So there you go. The balance sheet appeared. We don't see any generated reports yet. Let's click on the Generate button. Enter the 31st of December 2016 and click OK. Generating is in process. Now the report is ready. Click on the View button and the system shows the balance sheet. The report has the rows we configured in the row definition, and there are two columns we configured in the column definition. The amounts is calculated based on the parameters we set in the row and column definitions. Everything looks as we configured. So we looked how the financial reporting functionality can be used to configure the balance sheet report. And if you want to know more about financial reporting in Dynamics 365 Finance, I also have a video how to set up the income statement. The link in the description. I hope this video helped you to get overview about reporting in Dynamics 365 Finance. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know what you think about this functionality in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe. Many thanks for watching, bye and see you soon.